So that's how we go live, you know? Surprise, surprise. It's incredible how they know, like instantly. And it's always a surprise. Hello, people. Hi. Well, a lot of you've been saying, come live, so hum hazir hain. How are you? Hi. Give me their names, it's too far away.
Farhan.
Farhan, hi.
Suvrom.
Sufron.
Monica.
एक तो your accent. उसके ऊपर Monica. Monica. Hi guys, I have my friend Srijaya here with me, who is helping me read all of your messages so that I can keep this distance from the camera. How are
He says
you?
hi.
I love you too, Janmiri. How are you? Yes. Mwah.
Shivi.
Lots of love to you too.
Niti, there's another Sushmita.
Oh, hi Sushmita, my namesake. Hello. Hey Raja Bhaiya, what's up? Wave right back at you. I just finished a beautiful interview with a very special woman and came back and said, let's go live. It's been a while and I'm about to start traveling, so I might be gone for a bit. And you guys have been saying, Kya?
Neelam from Shanghai is saying hi.
Hi Neelam from Shanghai. Wow, what time is it there now? Thank you, my darling. Thank you so much, Kushi. What a pretty name you have. Nice to say hello to you. Hi. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, Preetama. I see you. Hi. I love this. Raja Bhaiya, lots of hearts. Hi. Oh, from Holland. Hello, my darling. How are you? From Spain.
Sarika from
Wow, this is like all over the world, literally, and this is without preparing you guys, as always, that I'm about to come live. Walaikum assalam. Kaise hain aap?
Ria wants you to
Ami
say
bhalo
her
achi. Tumi kemon acho? Sorry?
name. Ria wants you to say her name.
Hi Ria, how are you? I said your name. Oh, hi. From Montreal, Canada. Hi. How are you? Salam from Kashmir. Salam. And from Canada.
And from Kerala.
And from Kerala. Look at the happiness of Srijaya. Like Kerala. Hello there.
Kolkata.
How do I say in Kerala?
Sugamano.
Sugamano. Hi. Yes. Love you too, my Jan. How have you been? From? Harrisburg. Hello. You're not reading. I'm reading from here.
Okay.
Give me names.
Manjul
Manjul. Hi.
Srividya
Srividya.
from Bangalore.
She's basically just going for all South Indian names. I'm telling you. So, and you just add Shri to everything.
Gautam from Jammu.
Hey, hi, Gautam from Jammu. How are you?
Oh, Anshika says, please say hi
Hi.
one time, ma'am.
Hi, Anshika. How are you, darling?
Love from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Namaskar. Kemon achen?
Mona is asking, how is your health?
My health is good, my Jan. I've been missing from action for a bit because my father went through a surgery and I've been busy with all of that. He's doing much better. Thank you.
Swapna is saying hi from New York.
Hi, Swapna. Hello, in New York. कितने बजे वहाँ पे?
Super hoga.
Thank you, my darling. You are all an inspiration in my life as well. You should know that by now. The amount you people do for me, I can never be thankful enough. It's been award seasons and we've been getting so many thanks to who, you know. I got one more. I'm going to be posting it later, but ta-da! For Tali this time. So thank you guys. I mean, this is really, really special. This is E4M Play, Streaming Media Awards 2024. It's very, very special to receive this on so many levels. A big shout out to the entire Tali team, my wonderful director, Mr. Ravi Jadhav, G Scenes, my co-stars, Geo Cinema, The list is endless. Raghav, a big shout out to you. Raghav and Bhushan, DOPs of the show. I don't know how to thank you all enough. Shri Gauri Savant, every single award I win for Tali is yours. So, and you guys, thank you
Sanghamitra
for doing this.
Sanghamitra says hi from Helsinki.
From Helsinki, hi Sanghamitra. What a cool name, by the way. I really love it.
Yeah. Devain says hi from Perth.
Oh, from Perth. Hey, from Perth. Say hi.
Yeah, it's too late night, Devain. Go
Baby's
sleep.
there.
Oh yeah.
Say hello. It's late night, no?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. This time taking the decision was really hard. What decision, baby?
Love from Jodhpur. Whimsical
Hi.
Soul says.
Hello, big love from Pakistan. Hello to you all. Thank you so much for the congratulations, my darling. From Texas. Yeah. Hello there.
Michelle wants to know when you're going to Chandigarh next.
Chandigarh. You know, I haven't been to Sector 17 in probably, over a decade. Yeah. बुला लो. आ जाती हूँ. Invite me. Love from Mumbai. Amchi, Mumbai. कैसे हैं आप? Hi, Sush.
Love from Kashmir.
Love from Kashmir. Hi.
Waiting for new season.
Yes, Janiman, I'm also waiting to give you some lovely body of work. Working around it, I don't want to just give you something just for the sake of it. So wait for it. अच्छी चीजों के लिए wait करना पड़ता है.
They type very fast. I
They
can't
type
keep
very
up.
fast and they move very fast. So you know you
Yeah.
can go down and up. You can move it down.
Jabalpur, Lucknow, Uttarakhand. Alisa joined.
Oh, Piero. Hi, Piero.
Alisa joined.
I haven't seen you in a long time. How
Ali-
are you, sweetheart?
Alisa joined.
Hi, Alisa. Why are you not studying? Why are you live on Instagram? Huh?
Mangalore, Ahmedabad. It's like
Mangalore, Ahmedabad.
the whole country is on.
The globe, honey. They're from Spain
I know.
and I don't
Alisa
know,
says-
Holland. And hi. Ollie, baby. It's the weekend.
Weekend, oh,
Alisa
yes.
sent. It may be the weekend, but you have exams, so you need to study, says Mama. Like now, padho. One of my friend is a huge fan. Sanjeev, please give your friend lots of my love. And here's a question for you, Sanjeev. Why is your friend a fan? What's wrong with you?
From Kenya. Rakhi from Kenya.
Hi, Rakhi from Kenya, from Andhra Pradesh.
Shiva
Hello.
from Andhra. Somebody from Agra.
Dream to meet you. Suman आके मिल लो. हम हाजिर हैं.
Ali from Manchester.
Hi, Ali. Been watching the football matches? Huh? I love you too, Janmini.
Madhu from Madhura.
Madhu from Madura. Okay, how have you guys been? All of you all, it's been a while, since I got to feel this energy, and I have missed you people tremendously, because somehow you guys always bring out this level of energy that makes me want to go conquer the world. And only you people can do that. Only you people. So I just wanted to come on live and let you know that you're in my heart and in my prayers, and I love you very much. And come 15th, I think, I will travel out of the country for a while, and hopefully then I will get some time to connect with you and reach out and discuss a lot of fun stuff. I am getting your DMs, so I'm aware of the conversations we're having, and I love you. Hello, Indonesia. Hi, I love you too, my Jan. Thank you. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So if you find me beautiful right now, good on your eyes. Oh, yeah.
Manipur.
Hi. Manipur. I love you guys in Manipur. Uttarakhand. Hello. Walaikum assalam. Khairiyat. Aap kaise hain? Hyderabad. Hello. This is my Janmsthan. Hyderabad. Big shout out to all of you.
Tabiat.
तबीयत बिल्कुल ठीक है. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपने पूछा। जब भी मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं होती है तो मैं सबसे पहले लाइव आऊँगी और आके आप सबसे हीलिंग एनर्जी ले लूँगी and I'll be fine. But today I actually finished, like I was saying, a very beautiful interview with a very beautiful woman. इसके आगे नहीं बताऊँगी, surprise है. हाँ?
Bamer, Rajasthan.
Rajasthan. They are reaching out to Arya, not to
Yes.
Sush. Yeah.
Bangalore, Odisha.
Hi, Bangalore, Odisha.
Somebody from another galaxy.
You're from another galaxy. चलो ठीक है, I'm also Miss Universe.
Belgium.
Belgium. Hello,
Meerut.
darlings. Hi from Karnataka. My God. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. मुझे ना बहुत डांट पड़ने वाली है कि मैं फिर लाइव आई without a warning. So sorry about that. I'm gonna post this and then the rest of us can know that I was live. And hopefully next time, once I reach my destination, where I'm traveling to, I will announce I'm coming live, and then maybe we'll take some live callers on. What say? Sounds good? हाँ? और हर बार मुझे डांट पड़ती है कि आप हिंदी में बात नहीं करते हैं, तो आप कुछ भी पूछिए हमसे हिंदी में, हम आपको जवाब देंगे.
Kanpur, Canada, Patna, Indore.
This is you reading the menu from. Sounds awesome. Chalo, done. So then we have a date and we have a deal. Thank you, Chetna. I love you too very, very much. Yes, my Jan. Canada.
Shairi,
Wow,
please.
हर बार शायरी ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. You know what? I had a plan. If you guys have some nice shairi with you, huh? Send it to me. Don't DM it. Whatever is my last post, उस पे अपनी शायरी भेज दो. The one that I really, really love, I will record in my own voice and send it out.
Please visit Philippines.
Mabuhay! Of course I will visit Philippines. I mean, you guys are my second home. I've often said that, and I miss you all so, so much. I hope all the Sushmitas in the Philippines are doing well. A big shout out to you. We just completed 30 years of Miss Universe, and all your love and messages that came to me via Instagram, I received. And I haven't had the time to respond to everybody, but you should know. Forever, Mahal Kita. I love you, love you, love you, Philippines. Watch my performance on Mehboob Mere. Ye baat. I'm gonna watch your performance on Mehboob Mere. We have to just get her name.
Yeah.
Where
I am
fashion for. You got it. You have a deal. Did you dance to it like Dil Khul Ke? Hi from Malaysia. Hi. Madhu, I love you very much. मेरी आवाज और मैं दोनों हाजिर हैं. Texas, USA. Hello there.
Mauritius.
Mauritius. I'm supposed to come there actually soon. I'll see you there. Thank you, Ji Shivani. Nice to talk to you. Hi, Harun. Same as before का मालूम नहीं, मगर दिल सही जगह पे. Hi from Delhi. What's up? Wow. अच्छा, one quick thing. Hello, Ahmedabad. Hi. Thank you, मेरी जान. Thank you. मेरे जो लास्ट 2 पोस्ट डाले ना मैंने, उसमें they were all about receiving awards, and there was like an outpour of love from you guys, like an outpour of love. And I want you to know that more than the award, that is what I feel has been my greatest reward. Thank you so, so much. And comments that say, जब आप जीतते हो तो हमें ऐसा लगता है जैसे हमने कुछ जीता. हाय, दिल भर जाता है. You know, I feel very, very happy listening to that, because the truth is, everything I achieve, you're a part of. Can't do it alone. Don't want to do it alone. I love you very, very much. Ijazat, I'll come back for another live. This time I'll give a proper indication that I'm coming. Sounds good to you? Yes? What is the next film? सब बताऊंगी. Please take my name. Kaushik, hi. Love you. You are the best too, Ravi. Thank you, Shri, for joining me on this live and giving me all the names. And I love you loads. Hello, Salam Lucknow. Kaise hain aap? Lots and lots of love, you guys. Send me that shairi. I'll record for you. Lots and lots of love. Dukka, dukka.